Bonjour, Christophe Évrard. Cela fait longtemps que j'utilise les lasers MRJ et je suis très satisfait de leur service. Actuellement, j'utilise la coupe laser et le laser à fibre très simple d'utilisation et de haute qualité. MRJ-Laser a toujours fourni ses clients avec des machines de grande qualité et qui durent.
I'm Tanur from Sri Lanka. I met MRJ-Laser technology in Germany, and I met Skyler for my sister's help, and they were really good and they were really helpful, and they did like sample laser marking for me, and I was really impressed, and I came here and recommended that laser company here to get a machine to amaze Indians. Yeah.
Mimi ni James toka Kenya. Nimekuwa nikizitumia mashine za MRJ Laser kwa muda sasa na nimependezwa na matumizi yake. Kwa sasa natumia mashine ya laser cutting na ile ya fiber laser marking na nimependezwa na matumizi yake kwa kuwa ni mashine zinazotumika kwa urahisi na za hali ya juu. MRJ Laser wamefanya kazi nzuri sana kuwapa wateja wao mashine zinazodumu na za hali ya juu. Asante.
Hey there, I'm Justin from the US, and I'm here to attest to the quality of these lasers. The MRJ lasers honestly always do their job. I use them to engrave logos onto these. Unfortunately, these glasses, they're too thin to engrave the logo, which I shouldn't have bought them out. These are the ones I meant to bring out. So I engraved my logos on these since they're big enough, and honestly the quality of the engravings with these MRJ lasers are superb. Like, I'd say one of the best out there. I've tried several in the game. They're alright, but I'm not sure if their price is worth the quality. Here is both, in my opinion. Customers never complain. Like, literally I've gotten 0 complaints about the etching. Good customer service. The guys over there, great guys, all of them, they work with you, and I really appreciate that. Especially like with the language barrier, they really step up their game. That's me just attesting to the quality of these glasses. I really do appreciate your work, guys. Keep it up, and hope to have a long business relationship with you.
Merhabalar. Ben Promet firmasının sahibi Mehmet Kabaş. İstanbul Maktek Fuarı'nda MRJ-Laser firmasının, MRJ-Laser firmasının standını ziyaret ettim. Burada çok enteresan yüzey temizleme ve lazer markalama cihazları gördüm. 2 ayrı cihaz. Firma yetkilisi Down isimli kişi bana çok detaylı bilgiler verdi. Makineleri çok beğendim. Çok değişik bir sistem. Almayı da planlıyorum. Diğer cihazlara göre çok farklı ve çok kolay kullanımı. Şiddetle tavsiye ederim. Müthiş cihazlar. Teşekkür ederim.
Ben Baden firmasının sahibi Ceylan Küçük. İstanbul Maktek Fuarı'nda MRJ-Laser firmasının standını ziyaret ettim. Burada lazer yüzey temizleme ve markalama makinalarını gördüm. Bay Don ve Bay Niyazi bize detaylı bilgiler verdi. Özellikle yüzey temizleme makinesinden çok etkilendim. Fabrikama bir adet almayı planlıyorum. Tamam.
Hey, how's it, MRJ? I hope that you guys have a great Chinese New Year, and all the best for your year-end function and all that kind of stuff. I hope that you guys don't get too out of hand, and thank you for the great service, everything you've done, and it's been a pleasure. Thanks for all your support, and I really foresee that next year's, this year, should we say, is going to be really, really good, and I think there's a lot of good cooperation between the two companies are going to happen this year. So just want to say thanks for everything you've done, and I'll be in contact a lot when you guys get back, and yes to growing a good, fruitful business relationship. Cheers, guys.